For a long time, China saw itself as the undisputed king of manufacturing. Faster, cheaper, and bigger than anyone else on the planet. Then Tesla walked in and completely redefined what fast actually means. Not a little faster, not even twice as fast. We're talking about a level of speed that shatters every benchmark the auto industry has ever lived by. Elon Musk claims Tesla can crank out a finished car in under 30 seconds, thanks to Giga Press 2.0, a machine so extreme that no one else has anything like it. A car rolling off the line every half minute is basically unheard of. Even China's most advanced factories still take close to 2 minutes per vehicle. And yes, China has massive scale, hundreds of factories, millions of workers, non-stop production. But the system is still built the old way. Tons of steps, tons of people, and endless opportunities for errors. Tesla flips that entire model on its head. They pull humans off the line, eliminate hundreds of unnecessary robots, wipe out thousands of welds, and end up with a production line moving so fast it's actually unsafe for people to stand nearby. The secret is pushing Giga casting to the absolute edge. And now comes Giga Press 2.0, the most insane piece of equipment ever dropped into an auto factory. It's nothing like earlier versions, and the way it operates almost feels unreal. Musk has even joked that it's like making Matchbox cars. And he says this machine will be used across all future Tesla models. The goal: faster launches, fewer delays, and total dominance in production speed. So, what's really happening inside this thing? What makes it so different from before? And just how ridiculously fast are we talking? The Giga Press is not just one of the biggest die casting machines in the world. It's an engineering marvel that's revolutionized the way we think about automotive manufacturing. Picture this: a machine the size of a two-story house that can turn out enormous EV parts in mere seconds. That kind of speed and efficiency is unmatched. And it's exactly why automakers globally are willing to pour millions of dollars just to get their hands on one. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Tesla was the first to bring the Giga Press to life, not just as an idea, but as a game-changing reality in car production. This innovation sparked a manufacturing revolution that took the entire industry by surprise. But as we know, Elon Musk doesn't stop at first. He's been continually refining the technology. And now we're on the brink of the next giant leap with Giga Press 2.0. This new iteration is an absolute powerhouse, boasting a mind-boggling 50,000 tons of clamping force. The goal: to cast an entire vehicle underbody in a single seamless shot. So, why does Tesla need this monster of a machine? And what's the significance of Giga Press 2.0 in the context of their upcoming Model 2? The answer lies in the company's audacious plans for the Model 2, which according to Musk could be the most affordable and high-volume EV in Tesla's history. Expected to launch sometime next year, the Model 2's price point is jaw-droppingly low, projected to start at just $29,990. Musk himself has confirmed that production could reach anywhere from 30 to 40 million units, a staggering figure that could outpace the combined production of the Model 3 and Model Y. At first, this seemed like another one of Elon's ambitious big promises, leading many to dismiss it as hype. But the introduction of a new generation Giga Press, specifically designed for next-gen vehicles like the Model 2, has started to shift the conversation. Suddenly, what seemed like a lofty goal looks increasingly achievable. Tesla has been tight-lipped about the Model 2's design, but leaks suggest it's set to surprise the world. The car is expected to defy the conventional expectations of an affordable vehicle, challenging assumptions about what a budget-friendly EV can deliver. And Musk has hinted that the production speed for the Model 2 will be far faster than the Model Y, essentially paving the way for a new era of push-button EV manufacturing. The implications are huge, not just for Tesla, but for the entire automotive industry. Giga Press 2.0 isn't just a tool. It's the key to unlocking the future of electric vehicle production at scale. Whether you're a recent Tesla follower or a long-time enthusiast, there's one thing that stands out. We've been hearing about this affordable Tesla for years. Plans have been made, canceled, and revived multiple times. But this time, it feels different. Elon Musk and Tesla have finally confirmed that it's really happening. The Model 2 will roll off the same production lines as the Model 3 and Model Y. But here's the big catch. Tesla isn't reusing the 6,000-ton Giga Press from the Model Y. Instead, they're stepping up their game with an entirely new generation of die casting machines, more powerful and much more ambitious. Remember, it was the 6,000-ton Giga Press that helped Tesla cut Model Y production costs by a whopping 40%. The company replaced over 70 parts with just 2 large aluminum alloy castings, all integrated with a structural battery pack. It was a true manufacturing revolution. Now Tesla is ready to take that strategy to the next level for the Model 2, and the ambition is clear. The Model 2 itself is a reflection of this vision. It's more compact than the Model 3, with extremely short front and rear overhangs. So much so that there's barely any room for a traditional trunk. This design makes it perfect for testing the feasibility of a single-piece cast underbody. But here's the challenge. The 6,000-ton Giga Press used for the Model Y isn't powerful enough to handle this in a single casting. Enter the true game changer, the next generation Giga Press. This isn't just any upgrade. According to Elon Musk, in an all-hands meeting, this machine can cast an entire underbody in one shot. And even more impressively, it can produce 5 underbody frames in a single cycle. If that's true, the Model 2's production speed will break all records, surpassing anything the automotive industry has seen. Now, let's put that into perspective. A 50,000-ton Giga Press would be 8.5 times more powerful than the current 6,200-ton Giga Press Tesla uses for the Model Y. So, it's not just a bigger machine. It's an absolute powerhouse that will redefine automotive manufacturing. We're talking about a level of efficiency that's set to transform the entire industry. This cutting-edge technology is a game-changer, especially for a compact vehicle like the Model 2. With the Giga Press 2.0, Tesla can produce the entire chassis in a single casting, eliminating the need to weld together dozens of complex parts. The result, a vehicle that's not only lighter and more durable, but also stiffer and produced at a far